A chocolate chip cookie is the way to any heart, but with a little extra love, you can make it so much more. My next guest has 3 creative ways to give your cookie a romantic remix. Sweet Tooth Fairy Megan Faulkner Brown, she is the queen of all things sweet.
Oh, thank you.
So glad to have you. Good to meet you, Megan.
Yes, you too.
Valentine's Day, all decked out for it.
Yes, of
right?
course.
Brought some goodies for us.
Yeah, totally.
How big is Valentine's Day this time of year for you guys?
It's actually our biggest holiday. This
Yeah.
and Mother's Day, it's bananas. So it's so great. It's so fun. People just want to share the love and spread all the sweetness. So we're happy to be part of that.
I love it. You're going to walk us through what you brought us today.
Yes.
As far as what we can do to kind of like spruce up the cookiness and give it that Valentine shine.
Yes. Okay, so here's the thing. Everyone loves a chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Oh,
so some of us are bakers. We have our own recipes. Some of us like just to buy the dough from the store. So you can use either,
Okay,
right?
no judgment here, right? You got us covered.
Exactly. So, but I just wanted to show you a few things that you could do to just, like you said, spruce it up. So I'll just start over here, a little less hands-on. But this is, I just went to a dollar store, okay? Picked out some candy that maybe traditionally you would think like, oh, that's not my favorite type of chocolate. But you plop it on top of a chocolate chip cookie, and it just decorates it.
All of a
so
sudden,
cute,
it's just got that
right?
oomph now.
Yes, and you can even chop it up and then mix that chocolate inside with some of your other sprinkles or your own chocolate chips. And anyway, so cute, so fun, and just so decorative.
Love
Super
it.
easy.
Dollar store find.
Yes, exactly. Next, conversation hearts again. Everyone loves a conversation heart, right? So I just chopped some up, just smashed some in a Ziploc bag, like with a rolling pin, and then I folded it into the cookie dough.
Okay.
Put it in the oven, baked my cookies, brought them out, and then just stuck one on the top.
Fabulous.
So, so
Love
great.
that.
And then this,
do we have here?
they're so cute. They're just these little marshmallow hearts.
I think I've seen those before.
Yeah, they were darling. I couldn't pass them up. So, and that is just straight up chocolate chip cookie. I didn't fold anything in. And then as soon as they came out of the oven, I just put the marshmallow on top. So again, I always say it sounds cheesy, but it's kind of like my shtick. I say it doesn't take much to take something ordinary and make it extraordinary. And I just think little touches like this.
Yeah, those are kind of easy to pull together.
Yes.
That's kind of more my forte.
Yes.
So jazz it up a little bit. But you've got some other options for us too.
Yes. Okay. So then this is just a little cookie cake. So yeah, and you can do it any size, any shape, but I'll show you here. I'm actually going to have you give it a go.
Okay, put me to work.
So you can just let's grab this frosting.
Okay.
So this is just, again, homemade or store-bought, no judgment. So you're just going to squeeze it on there.
Okay.
Yep. Look at you.
I'm trying.
Hey, if you need to moonlight as a
oh wow,
as a decorator, yep, perfect.
Oh man.
Then you're going to
smush it all there.
Smush it all there.
Okay.
Then you're going to take this spatula and just spread it around.
Over. Okay.
Yes. Yep. So you can hold on, kind of stabilize the cookie with one hand. And then depending upon how you like your frosting, some people aren't frosting people, which I can't relate.
I was going to say, I like an extra thick.
Yeah, exactly. So, and then you can just put this on top like this. And if you wanted, you could just keep stacking, right? Like I have a whole
the more the better.
One here. And then here's just some different frosting with different tips.
Colors.
Yeah,
and,
so you can write
I'll let you do it. I want to see how the pro does it.
Oh, okay. So let's see. We
write
can
some names, jazz it up a little bit.
Yeah, we can. Oops, we can just. This is going to be like a little heart. We can write, you know, XO on there. You can write. Let's say you're doing these as little place settings for your kiddos.
Yeah.
You can write their names. Of course, you want to add some
Gotta
sprinkles.
put the sprinkles on too, huh?
The other thing that's fun is you can take, and I can just show you here, super easy, but you can roll out chocolate chip cookie dough and then just use cookie cutters to cut it out.
Oh, okay, to get the heart shape.
Yes, so if you wanted, you could do like a heart-shaped cookie cake type of situation. But yeah, so here's this. And so easy. One thing you'll want to do though, if you are making, like say you're making your own recipe, you want to just add a little bit more flour to the dough so that it holds its shape a little bit better.
Gotcha.
Because traditionally the chocolate chip cookies will
spread.
But if you add a little bit more of the flour, it'll just hold its shape. So,
got it.
Yeah. So that's
all right. Just good little tidbits to know and keep in mind.
Yes.
But, any like unique requests this time of year for you? Or, I mean, you get to use your creativity, but is there anything that you're just like, that this is what they asked for, this is what I like to do?
Oh, it's honestly all day long. It's shaped sugar cookies.
Yeah,
really, it is.
You can't go
It's
wrong with the sugar.
I always say on
sugar.
Valentine's Day, like my heart goes out to all my fellow bakers and bakery people because it's just heart sugar cookies all day long.
Love is in the air, and you just give these cookies a little extra love and shine, and yeah, depending on how much time you have, how much creativity.
Yeah,
awesome.
exactly.
Well, Megan, thanks so much for walking us through it all.
Yes, you're so welcome.
And remind
Thank
us
you.
again where we can find you on Instagram or anywhere else on
At
social
Sweet
media.
Tooth Fairy and Megan Faulkner Brown.
All right,
So,
great.
yeah.
Thanks so much. Thanks
so
for
much.
the ideas.
Yes.